This is a song for those who wait, for those who can celebrate, for those who always know the way, for those who would never say I make you feel bad cause it's full moon, I make you feel bad cause I hate myself. It's for those who call you on your phone and know what to say without any help. And I guess it goes somewhat like this. Are you sure you will love me in the middle of the night? When the darkness that's living outside makes its way in my mind, are you gonna tell me that I'm gonna be okay? Cause I'm not one of those who wait, and I cannot celebrate, and I always forget the way because of a musician's brain. Yeah, take a look at the PET scan. See my hippocampus, it is shaped like a 2012 10 drum set, and that's where lives my pain. Are you sure you will love me in the middle of the night? When the darkness that's living outside makes its way in my mind, are you gonna tell me that I'm gone?